Hey guys, Scotty with Miller Marine. I'm on a brand new boat here. I'm not going to tell the name of it, but customers complained about a float switch was acting up. I don't think the float switch has ever worked from day one since the boat left the factory, because I was just getting ready to put a new one in. He said they kept on popping the breaker. And I'm like, oh man, that's weird. The pump works fine. Well, I was getting ready to start doing, probably going to put a new float in anyway because it's probably fried. So I just clipped the hot off. Tell me if anybody could tell what's wrong with this picture here, where the other lead to the hot is. It's going to the ground. That's the problem. It needs to go here. This is coming from a boat manufacturer too. They obviously never test the float switch, because the way they put it is way down under there. Can't even get to the bilge pump barely. So, gotta love some of these boat manufacturers. They'll never have to service that thing.